we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Good morning, guys. Today we are driving back to my Eugene apartment that I haven't seen in over 2 months. I have a lot of things to do. I need to start packing. I need to take my senior photos, and there's just a lot of loose ends that I basically need to tie up. So I packed some things last night. I have my graduation stuff here. I'm only going for the weekend. Right now my dad's grabbing me some bins so that I can bring them down to school, start packing up. This video is also sponsored by Fabletics. I'm super excited to show you guys some of their new pieces from the June collection, as well as my workout routine, because today I'm forcing myself to do a workout. I think it's like 10:15 right now. Oh yeah, oh gosh, it's 10:30. So I'm gonna get some breakfast really quick, then I'm gonna load up my car and we are gonna hit the road. I honestly am really excited to see my apartment because I haven't seen it in a long time.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through.
All right, we are finally ready to go. I got my first mosquito bite of summer 2020, and let me tell you, it is really itchy. All right, it's time to pull up my Road to Eugene playlist. Let's do this.
The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire.
Finally arrived in Eugene. Right now I'm at the grocery store and I'm gonna go get something for lunch. I'm also gonna go get ingredients so that I can make dinner tonight. I just found a really easy recipe on Pinterest for some lime cilantro chicken and a salad thing. Oh my god, I almost freaked out because I thought I didn't have my mask, but I do have it. Probably won't film in there, but I will see you guys afterwards. That was a very successful trip. I got everything that I needed for the week. I got some snacks, breakfast stuff. It's so weird to be here. Oh my god, I feel like my life has just been so different. Right now it's week 9, almost the end of week 9, so I pretty much have one more week of school and then finals week. What I pictured me doing right now in Eugene and having fun with all my friends, it's not really happening. I have heard a lot of people here are acting like it's normal, but for me, like, I'm trying to be overly careful and cautious because you just never know. And I also am going back to my parents who are older, and I'm not trying to bring anything to them. I will see you guys when I get to the apartment.
Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in the bed, lying awake.
I'm back. This is weird, but I did miss this room a lot. I got a couple packages, so I'm gonna unbox them really quick. I'm gonna put you guys in my plant like I used to. Also, I'm wearing this whole set from Fabletics and it's really comfy. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about this. I finally got my necky for skiing. I ordered this a really long time ago and I honestly forgot about it. I won't be skiing anytime soon, but when I do, I'm gonna wear this cute little thing. It's awesome and it's handmade. I got this letter which looks really concerning. What? Something about winning $10,000. I think this is fake. And our final package. Oh, it's from Pharmacy. I love them. That's so sweet. Ooh. This is exciting. We got 2 of the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balms, which I have this and I've tried this and I really like it. And then the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, which is really nice because I'm actually running out of my moisturizer. I don't even know if I have any here, so thank you, Pharmacy. All right, I'm gonna chill for a sec and then I wanna show you what else I got from Fabletics, which I'm really excited about because we got some cute outfits and I wanna do a little try on haul. Guys, look at my poor plant. She is just barely hanging on. Oh, no. Hopefully she can bounce back. This is what happens when you leave your plants unattended for so long. I'm really sorry, little guy. I really hope you bounce back because you've been thriving for so long. There is hope, I think. I wanted to show you guys my Fabletics stuff and I got a bunch of athleisure stuff. This is the outfit I'm wearing. Can you see it? I'm gonna show you in the mirror. I have this cute little white tank. This is the Kinsley tank and it's got a little scooped edge right here and it's honestly the perfect length because it's not too short, but it's just, you know, still very light. And today is almost 90 degrees. This is the Poppy sports bra. This is probably my favorite sports bra that I have from Fabletics just because I think it's super comfortable and stretchy. And then I'm wearing it with these shorts. These are my favorite shorts. If you see me wearing these all summer long, you know why. We're gonna do a fashion show, okay? Outfit number 2, I am wearing this adorable purple top. This is the Brie lace-up tank Can you guys see the back? We're matching it with the Oasis Capri leggings, and these are high-waisted and also have pockets, which is really nice because when you're going on a walk, you can literally just take your phone, pop it in the pocket. It's a hands-free thing. It's also like really comfortable, where sometimes I feel like pockets in workout clothes just don't mesh well, like your phone is in a weird place. All right, our final outfit, the Kinsley soft rib tank. This is the same one as the white one that I was wearing earlier, but it's in black with the Kinsley sports bra underneath, which is honestly a really cute combo because I like how the pink shows through and it's very comfortable. Let me show you the leggings. I've talked a lot about these leggings on my Instagram, but they are the seamless high-waisted ribbed leggings. Literally no seam on the side, and I think they're so comfortable. My other black leggings are just very plain and average, but I like how the ribbed adds some texture. You guys know how much I love Fabletics, and if you sign up to become a VIP member using the link in my description box, you can get 2 pairs of any bottoms for $24, as well as 50% off all other styles and free shipping on your first order. You can always skip shopping during the first 5 days of the month, or your account will be charged and you'll get a credit, like a gift card that you can use later. Fabletics has different stuff that comes out every single month, so you're constantly able to choose from new athleisure and athletic clothes that keep you inspired to work out. So I think it's really fun. If you guys want to check it out, use my link in the description box, find out more about the VIP membership, or shop a la carte pieces that you're in love with. I'm going to change back into my shorts because I'm actually really hot in here, but I think I'm gonna wear this top combo because I think it's really cute. On today's agenda, we also need to start packing. I brought a couple bins from home, and I'm just gonna be preliminary packing at my apartment so it's not as hard. I'm honestly not in a huge rush to move right away, so if I move in August, like, that's fine with me. I could be moving sooner or later than I think. That's why I want to start packing up, and I have a bunch of school stuff here, so I'm gonna probably start packing those things up and taking them back in my car. I have a bunch of skis here that I need to take back. I'm now just realizing that my calendar says March, which is funny because that's the last time I was here. This calendar needs to go to the right month. We missed April. That was London. Mexico City. Boom. I was just outside and it was 91 degrees. I'm dying. I did bring the bins in, so I think you know what that means. My goal is to pack some of this dresser, and then I have a bunch of books, and this drawer really needs to be packed. Maybe even most of my bed drawers. I don't know. We'll see how far we get. I'm gonna bring a bin over. We're gonna do a technology and book spin.
Gave you a call because I needed a ride and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side. And now we're driving downtown. Baby, you make me feel.
The real question is, what do I do with this chemistry book? It is dated, like the bookstore would not buy it last time I checked. I'm never taking chemistry again. I feel like I could sell it on Amazon or something. It is so strange going through all of your school notebooks and all of your hard work. This is my favorite book though, the Atlas of Anatomy. It's great for self-diagnosing your issues. This is the first cover I ever shot. It was on the Daily Emerald. Nice little football pic. I need to get it laminated so that it stays and doesn't fade. Our first bin is full.
Search my face now. Well, I could tell you're not done, and I would usually run, but I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go.
Packed up all my technology stuff and all of my books and school stuff. I only have 2 more bins left. I might pack these either later tonight or tomorrow because I'm starving. I'm gonna make my delicious dinner now. So sweaty. I need to shower really badly, and I still want to work out tonight, so hopefully we can get it all done. But I think if I eat first, chill for a sec, work out, shower, it'll be good.
You are my own hell. I won't let you out my sight, 'cause then I would have no life, and someone else would find your beauty newly mine. Tiptoe, no.
so late right now. It's 11:11 and I told myself that I was gonna work out, but then our dinner took forever to cook. It actually turned out really well. I'll link the Pinterest recipe down below if you guys want to try it. Baked the chicken because we don't have a grill, obviously. It took forever to cook. And then I FaceTimed Mia and Taylor for definitely over an hour. I don't know, I still want to like do a mini workout to say that I did it, but I definitely need a shower because I feel so gross right now. Maybe I'll just show you guys like a mini version of what I do because I always get questions about what my workout is, and right now I'm not in like the best workout routine, but when I do work out, this is what I do. We're gonna work out for 10 minutes at least. Just doing something is better than nothing. I'm not gonna actually jump a ton because I don't want to wake up my neighbors. Let me give you a little intro of what I do. It's called Quadzilla. When I was in high school, one of my ski racing dryland coaches taught us this. If I haven't worked out in a long time and I try to push it and do like 3 or 4 rounds of this, I will not be able to walk. Tomorrow I'm gonna take my senior pics and I need to be able to walk. So I'm probably only gonna do 2 rounds of it and I'm gonna do modified. The first thing that you do, 20 squats, nice squats, 20 like normal standing lunges, so 10 on each side, and I just alternate. I do 10 because you can do 20 if you really want to push it, but I'm telling you the jumping lunges really hurt. I'm only gonna do 1 for you. Like you do 10 jumping squats, so like, you know, one of those. I really don't want to be loud and wake up my neighbors because I feel bad and it's kind of late. Usually I do that and then I'll do abs in between each set because it's a lot of legs. I'm gonna do just a little sequence of squats and plank. I said I'm gonna do it though, and I will do it. So we're gonna put on some soft music and do like silent workout.
Baby, don't you let me go.
We are going to end today's vlog. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. I want to thank Fabletics again for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check out the link in my description box if you guys want to shop their collection. What should today's question of the day be? What is one place that you miss right now? This is probably the place that I missed the most. I love you so much and I'll talk to you later. Bye.